Dear Jess, today's authentic culinary masterpiece comes from the charming Spanish island of Menorca. Menorca is more low-key than its Balearic neighbours Mallorca and Ibiza, ideal for those after a peaceful time away from mass tourism. If you've ever wished that you could recreate the flavours of that lovely Spanish fish restaurant you enjoy so much on your holiday, this one's for you. One of the classic ways to be served fish in Menorca, and in fact all over Spain, is a la Espalda, meaning on its back. And it hasn't taken me long in Ciutadella to find a sea bass cooked in this style. So a whole portion-sized fish opened up, served with a light coating of the delicious, slightly tart, garlicky pan sauces. The Spanish coast on a plate. Ciutadella boasts a charming little covered fish market, where my bass is prepared for cooking a la Espalda. On its back, I'll demonstrate this in a minute. I find a nice spot a couple of kilometres outside the city. A small bass per person, garlic, sweet Spanish pimentón pepper powder, sweet paprika is also fine. There's a link below in the description. Optionally, a tiny amount of hot cayenne or chili, just a touch, as Spanish cookery always remains extremely lightly spiced compared to, say, Mexican cookery. Wine vinegar, olive oil, a drop of white wine, and a slice of lemon usually comes with the fish, and fried potatoes seem to be de rigueur in restaurants. Now let's get the potatoes underway first. Small cuts help infuse the oil with the garlic flavour. Set the fried potatoes aside and keep them warm. Having cut off all the fins, here's how to open from the belly. Note to self, get some proper scissors. The little bones above the backbone are easy to get through with a sharp knife. Et voila. The fish is seasoned well and placed skin side up in plenty of olive oil. After 2 minutes, flip for a further 2 minutes on its back, a la Espalda. Now in the same flavourful oil, the pan sauce is prepared. Gently fry the garlic until starting to turn golden. Sprinkle over the hot pepper, and just seconds before adding the liquid, the pimentón powder. A splash of vinegar, another of wine, and reduce until slightly thickened, thick enough to lightly coat the fish rather than watery and running off. Remember, this is more of a flavouring than a typical pouring sauce, though do feel free to be as generous as you like. Once cooked, the backbone is easily removed on the plate. Yes, just like all the best fish one's ever had in Spanish restaurants. Do please subscribe to the channel in order to join me again for ever more authentic local classics from the provinces. Un abrazo desde Menorca. Hasta pronto.